everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia, She's So Blessed. I'm back with you to share another video. And the name of this here video is called Mental Health Tablescape for 2020. Our host tonight is DIY Design by CCW, better known as Candy. Today's video is to bring awareness of mental health for the month of May. They normally celebrate the mental health awareness in the month of May in the United States. So Candy would like to do a collaboration that will bring more understanding and support to those who are suffering from mental illness. So guys, as you know that we all have some type of struggle with depression. It can be a job related, it can be peer pressure, it can be a dysfunctional family, it can be a tragedy that came into your life. It can be drug abuse, it can be alcohol abuse, it can be so many things, guys. It can also be, let me go over some more stuff that I found. It can be low self-esteem, it can be loneliness, suffering from emotional neglect, it can be a childhood trauma, it can be physical abuse, and it can also be sexual abuse. So these things can bring on to mental illness. But let me give you a definition of mental illness. Mental illness is a person condition with regard to their psychological and emotional well-being. So guys, sometimes they have difficult to enjoy their life or balance different events or things in their life that can go on. So guys, I'm going to dedicate this here video to my niece. I'm not going to call her name because I didn't get permission. But I do want to let you know that the things to look for when dealing with people with mental illness is their behavior. Are they staying in their room all day? Is they getting up, eating, taking care of their hair? Or is they taking care of their daily living? Are they participating? Are they isolating themselves from people or things? Is they social when people come around them? Are they doing these things? If you notice that they are not, then most likely they can be heading to mental illness, some type of depression. I thought that my niece, that was her way of normal living, that was her personality, but unfortunately it was not. It was signs of depression. So guys, if you ever notice that when people is so withdrawn, where they're not doing anything, they just want to be left alone or in a dark room just sleeping and not taking care of themselves, most likely they are suffering from mental illness. So if you see these things, try to get them some help. Bring it to someone's attention where they can at least examine them to make sure that if it is mental illness, they can get the proper care that they deserve. Once again, guys, they don't want to be like that. Nobody want to be like that. They want to live a normal life just like you and I. Some people can deal with depression and some people don't. We all have some type of depression. No one's perfect. Some people can get over it and some people just can't. Or they can hold on it too long where they go into a dark place where it's so hard for them to come out and function. So if you notice any signs like that, people's not eating, they're not taking care of themselves, they don't want to be around people, or they may even think of committing suicide. So if you know those things, guys, make sure you bring it to someone's attention. Other than that, continue on showing them love, show them support, stand by them. Sometimes you can just hold them and just listen. So just be there for them. Just be there, and hopefully, you know, everything will be all right. I know that with God's help, everything will be just fine. But just be patient with them and show them a lots of love. So guys, this is it. I'm going to go ahead and get into my Tablescape. Just want to show some support and love to Candy and let her know that I hear her and I also understand. So this Tablescape is dedicated to my niece. My colors are blue, green, and silver. I placed a blue plate on top of a silver charger, and I added a green and blue napkin to celebrate this occasion. I added my blue glasses, my Dollar Tree utensil. I added some greenery onto my table with also some blue vases. So I added the green to these two plate setting, and I left the ones on the end blue. I'm going to stand back and let you take a look at it. So guys, when you're done with my video, please go by and check the playlist and show some support and love to the creators. If you don't have them, then get them. Okay guys, that's what we're here for, to show some love and support to one another. Candy, thank you for hosting this here challenge. It means so much to me, and I truly enjoy myself. Guys, like they say, with prayer, anything is possible. Continue on loving your loved ones no matter what. It can be your friend that is suffering from mental illness. Continue on loving them and give them all the support you possibly can. So guys, until the next time, I will see you, yes you, and you, in the next video. So guys, go by and check the playlist. You will love it. So you guys have a wonderful night. Bye-bye.